In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable snowman, this brightly colored candy cane, and the wrapped present sitting in this doll's lap. So stick around. What you'll need is a gum bottle and a sock. And then take your gum bottle and stick it into your sock like so. And cover the whole gum bottle with this sock. Make sure it's tight and secure. Then tuck the excess part of the sock into the opening of the bottle. And now you have a base. For the second part, what you're going to need is another sock and a styrofoam ball. And then put your styrofoam ball to the very end of the sock. When you're finished getting the styrofoam ball to the end of the sock, take a hair tie and tie on the bottom of the ball several times, like so. Then for the body, take another styrofoam ball and stuff it into the sock. Like we did with the head, take a hair tie and tie several times on the bottom of the ball. Tuck the excess part of the sock into the container and make sure that it sets like so. I use googly eyes for this little guy. These are a little too big, so you might want some smaller than these, or if you would like, you can use buttons. For the nose and the mouth, I just sewed it on. Again, you can use buttons. Then I sewed a button on his body and one on the base, and I used toothpicks for the arms. I crocheted a hat and a scarf for this little guy, and on this channel I do have a tutorial on how to make hats and scarves. Now for your candy cane, you would use one of those plastic candy cane containers that hold candy in that you get for Christmas. Yarn and fabric glue. I'm using colored yarn to represent one of those Starburst candy canes, but if you want, you can use the traditional red and white. Start off by tying a loop around your candy cane. Apply glue on the plastic and take your yarn and continually wrap it around the plastic till you get to the end. When you're done, it should look like this. When you get to the end, kind of wrap it around like this and glue it on the bottom. Now we're going to do our package, and what you'll need is wrapping paper, scissors, yarn, tape, and a small necklace box. Wrap both parts of the necklace box with wrapping paper and tape it. It should look like this, if not better. Then take 2 strings of yarn, any color, cross them, and then tie them into a bow. Remember, have an adult to help you with these crafts. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Doble's Dolls, and please follow Doble's Dolls on Instagram.